Alright, yo Chris, here's your boxes, brother. Start with this one right here. I hope I could upload these for you. Gotta do it with one hand because I can't find my tripod. So, alright. Yes, Melanie, I'm taping. What do you need? Good. This is for Chris. One water. Alright, I'm going to put this camera down for a second, buddy. Lift up this box. Alright. Here you go, Chris. Okay. I need my tripod. I can't find it though. First autograph, Josh Aria. That's out of 106. Your next autograph, some fat dude. Scott Montgomery, number 225. And this autograph is Peter Jetson, number 205. And you got the 7 of Hearts here. And that's a Phil Gordon. Not bad. Number 52. And you got a red autograph. Looks like Negreanu, but it's not. It is this dude, Josh Aria, number 250. Number 9 of 50. Alright, dude. I wish I knew my tripod was. Oh, I found my tripod. Hold on, brother. I'm going to make my life and your life a hell of a lot better. Just give me 1 second. Hi, Chris. Alrighty. Tripod is up. I'm going to get all the boxes. And that way we can do everything all at once. Okay, got 5 more boxes here for you. And now our lives have just become much better. Okay, so we got box number 1 out of the way. Now, let's go for box number 2. It's going to be right here. I didn't even notice that. Due to circumstances beyond our control, Tom Dwan will not be in this set. What a scumbag he is. Okay. Cut this side for you. I want you to pull some Mojo, Chris. First autograph up. Another Phil Gordon. That's at a 161. Oh, I think you got something here. And here we got, oh, Chris Moneymaker at a 67. Very nice. Chad Brown, 191. He's dating one of those sluts. The 5 of Hearts, Isabelle Mercier, I know, Chris, a bonus for you. Number 1 of 52. Why the 5 of hearts for her? Cute little slut, too. Oh, you got one of the... Oh, you got a duel. Huck Seed and Paul Wasaka. Number 2 of 10. Alright, way to go. That was a nice one. Good box there for you. Next box. Alright. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's another good one. Wow, you're getting some names in here, Ben. Greg Raymer Fossil Man, number to 59. Very cool. Scott Fishman. I hate him. 375. Oh, very nice. Jerry Buss at 236. Oh, you got something here, dude. Bill Elder, number to 50. Final Table autograph. Todd Brunson. Oh, that's on felt, dude. That is so cool. That is so cool. I don't know what that is in the corner right there, but... Ace 5-4, maybe? No, it can't be. I don't know what that is, but that's a nice fucking card, dude. And it's numbered to 25. Let's see if they say what it is. No, they don't. I don't know what that inscription is, dude. Very nice card. Would have been nice if it was Doyle Brunson. I don't remember Todd ever making a final table. He sucks. But it's a Brunson. Alright, next box. Keep the mojo going. I might have to go in with you on a case of this stuff, dude. I think you might be right for once. Next box here. Joe Seabach, number 2, 155. Oh, you got a 101, dude. Lacey Jones, she's cute. I like that. That's nice. And that's numbered to 200. Vanessa Russo, she's very hot. That's numbered to 200. King of Hearts autograph, Isabel Mercier, 41 of 52. You can make the whole set of her pretty soon. 101, dude. Here you go. I can't even tell what the hell it is. Prahad Freeman. Wow. I think that's the card supposed to be like that. Prahad Freeman. Very nice, Chris. 2 more boxes to go, dude. Oh, you definitely got the killer out of the boxes. I got the garbage box. And here we got a Marco Traniello, number to 225. That's Jennifer Harmon's husband. Another Greg Raymer out of 59. Wow, you got to corner the market on those. Here's a red autograph. Looks like Phil Hellmuth. Humberto Brenes. He's cool, Humberto. I like him. And Joe Hatcham. 3 of diamonds. Very cool. And what is this? Just a regular? Right in the back? That's weird. Oh, wow. It's cool. Erica Scharnberg. Another hottie. Number 5 of 5. Very nice. Last box for you, brother. Okay, let's get some good more Mojo. Okay. Regular Humberto, number to 136. Todd Brunson. This one's signed Ace Ace, it looks like. Number to 176. Whoa, that's a hot piece of ass. Cindy Margolis, number to 146. Very nice. You got a 5 of diamonds. TJ Cloutier. And your last card, I think you got another numbered one. I hate him. I hate him. Classic nicknames. Michael Mizuraki, the Grinder. Numbered to 25. Alright, Chris, that's your box break, brother. Hope you liked it.